Hello friends, good morning. How are you today? Today is Saturday. We are now in our garden, in our vegetable garden, and I want to show you the things that we are going to harvest. Yeah, we have a lot of lettuce to harvest. Our broccolis are growing so nicely. And also I want to cut all my Tabasco chilies and to bring them in. And yeah, I want to show you guys the plants that we planted here in our vegetable garden. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Joby from the Acre and a Half Homestead here in Spain. We are family of 4 and we are trying to homestead. We raise our own eggs, yeah, and we also grew our own vegetables, guys. So that's what we are going to do today. We are going to harvest those vegetables and check some of the plants that we need to take care of, or let's see what they are doing, because I haven't been here for maybe a week because I'm busy working. Yes, I work full-time outside and also I work full-time here in our homestead with my family, taking care of my family, and of course taking care of the garden. Please subscribe and join our journey while we homestead here in Spain. And I want to show you also, guys, our animals. We have sheep and goats and chickens, but we don't butcher them. We have fresh eggs from our hens, and we also have fresh milk when our goats they have baby. So I will show you guys, and they are so cute. They are watching me while vlogging. Alright, so these are our sheep and our goats. Say hi! And some of them are eating there. I'm not sure if you can see those. And our hens are that side. And most of our goats are there. The breed of our goats is Morsiana Granadina. Yeah. It is a Spanish one and it is a milking goat. And this is the only different one, guys, the brown one. This is the alpine goat. And they want to eat fresh greens because every time I come here in our garden, I collect the weeds and throw them, and they eat that and they love it. Hi! And they are so sweet and so friendly, huh? Huh, Blackie? This is Blackie. All of our animals except the hens, they have names, guys. Our sheep and goats, they have names. Alright guys, so if you remember, I planted our zinnias in here and now they are dry and I have to harvest them because I want to keep them inside the house, so in springtime I can have seeds to plant. Yeah, I didn't harvest yet and I know it's quite late because it's been raining for how many days in here, guys, and it is really wet, and that's why our vegetables they have grown so much, and also the weeds. Yeah, and this is the place or the patch or the bed where I planted our onions last spring, and after that I planted, guys, our broccolis, cabbages, and cauliflowers, celeries, and also some leeks, and they are really growing so nicely. Look at that. Wow, I am so happy. Look at that beautiful head of broccoli. Yeah, hey. Wow. Yes. And in here, woo, it is really so satisfying, guys, to see the fruit of your labor, that they are growing and giving you food. All right, I am so happy. I am so happy, really. Look at that. And look at this. This is leek. Yeah, leek. I have leek. We use leek mostly for our soups. And look at my cabbage. Let's see the cabbage. That is a beautiful head of cabbage. I hope there is no moth or any worm inside, because last year it was attacked by worm, guys. That's why I didn't harvest, or I didn't enjoy that much my cabbage last year. And wow, so beautiful. Okay, so I have cabbages, and this is the cauliflower. We also love cauliflower. Look at that, so big, guys. Oh! I see this worm. I know I love farming, I love gardening, but I'm afraid of any kind of worm, guys. I don't know why. Look at that. So I'm so sorry. Oh, there's another worm in there, guys, the black one. Oh my gosh, I have to tell to my husband to come and pick all these worms. Oh. And aside from that worm, look at the leaves, guys. It's huge and so beautiful, but I don't see any head of broccoli yet. I hope they will have soon. They will come out really soon. And guys, I didn't plant my garlic yet, and we are now in September. And we are now in October, and we are now in November. But my plan was to plant in the last week of October, but because it rained a lot, so I didn't come and plant, and I didn't have time to prepare the bed for the garlics. So my plan is, where I'm standing at is where I planted my okras and some beans. Yeah, and I still have my okras in here, and also the squash vines they still have in here, and they're still giving us enough squash. But I think I have to clear here first and then to plant my garlic. I think I still have time to plant garlic until December. Yeah, so yes, guys. And I am looking that we have a lot of mushrooms in here. I'm not sure if this kind of mushroom is edible. Let's check it, guys. Kumusta is edible. This is the kind of mushroom that we have in here. Look here inside of our hollow blocks. Look at that. So nice, huh? Oh, until there, guys. Look at that. So nice. All right, so this is, guys, the bed that I am telling you to clear first before planting my garlics. I bought the garlic heads 2 weeks ago because the plan was to plant the garlics before at the end of October, but because the weather wasn't that good, because it rained a lot, and because we are now in fall, and the fall weather here in Spain is really like that, guys. It normally rains a lot, and because of that rain also, guys, if you heard the news about the flash flood in Valencia, we are really so sad and yeah, devastated for what happened, guys. Really so sad, and I hope Valencia will recuperate everything. Yeah, I know they lost a lot of their properties and of course and also lives, guys, so I am so sorry, and may all they rest in peace to those who had gone. Because of that said rain, guys, look, as in na ang dami ng tumubong mga damo, like this wild nettle, and also all our Tabasco chilies, and also yung mga kalabasa natin, they're still going strong until now. Yes, so we are going to harvest some today, guys. Some of our Tabasco chilies. Sige, mag-harvest na tayo ng Tabasco chilies. So, isang plant lang, guys, ang na-harvest ko dito kasi I was running out of time. Kaya, yan lang ang na-harvest ko, yung isang plant na yan. Tapos, hindi ko na na-harvest hanggang ngayon yung iba. So, ayan, guys. Ang ginawa ko dyan ay I just dried it, and then pag as in na dry na siya, then saka ko na lang itago, and then I will grind or I will soak it in vinegar or kung ano man ang dapat kong gawin dyan, guys. Yeah. After sa kabilang garden, lumipat ako, guys, sa kabilang garden para i-harvest yung mga flowers at kung ano pa ang mga natira na pwedeng kunin or i-harvest. So, yan yung entrada or entrance, guys. May ano tayo dyan, may lavender, tapos marami din tayong mga zinnias, marigold as well, tapos may Tabasco chilies din tayo, mga kamatis. Yon, guys, ang mga nandito. As you can see na nasa floor, mga kamatis, dapat i-harvest na din yan. So, yon ang hinarvest ko. And yung mga magagandang flowers din, kinuha ko na para sa ganun, madry sila. And then, in spring, guys, may flowers tayong itanim. Kaya kinuha ko na, inilagay ko dito sa loob ng bahay. Ginawa ko na ring parang decorations, nilagay ko sa tubig yung iba hindi ko na nilagyan ng tubig para as in na madry na yan sila, guys. So ayan, kita nyo naman as in na ang ganda, 'di ba? So naghanap na ako ng mga water base or flower base, hindi water base, flower base. Naghanap na ako ng flower base. So ayan yung mga hinarvest natin. Kumuha pala ako ng head of lettuce, guys. Yeah, tapos yan yung isang plant ng Tabasco chili. So ayan, inilagay ko na sa vase, sa flower vase. Bale, 3 yata or 4 ang ang flower vase. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, guys, 4 flower vases ang ginamit ko, ang kinuha ko. Ayan, ang ganda, 'di ba? So, yan yung nandito sa sala. Tapos, hindi ko na picturean or nakuhanan ng video yung guys, yung dalawa, I think. Yung isa, yung sa isang flower vase, inilagay ko doon yung puro marigolds. Tapos yung isang vase, puro naman zinnias ang inilagay ko doon. So, ayun sila kuta. She just woke up. So, ayan, yung isa. Ang cute, di ba? Ayan, yung isa. So, may lavender and zinnias siya, guys. Really cute. Tapos yung vase. So, pati din, guys, yung mga kalabasa namin, ginawa ko na rin siyang decoration dyan sa taas ng chimney or anong tawag dyan. Yes, dyan sa chimney namin yan, guys, sa kusina.